The reason why TOTO toilets flush so well is because of the way they're constructed. In their engineering, the way that they make the china is completely different from every other manufacturer. They use pressure casting. That's basically slip injection molding is what it really is. It controls the parameters of the toilet inside the mold all the way through. It's 3/8 of an inch all the way through it. Whereas other manufacturers, they're made by hand. Basically, you get 2 toilets a day in their molds, and it can be inconsistent from one place to another inside that mold. So with the TOTO products, with that consistency, you don't have air pockets within the trap, and there's no air in the trap, and with gravity and water pushing down through the top of the toilet, going down into the bottom, there's a 3-inch opening at the top of the toilet. That head pressure creates a strong pull through, so you don't have any clogs. The porcelain that is made of inside the bowl is a ionized barrier that, because of the glaze that they use, the glaze the whole toilet, but basically inside the bowl, it repels waste. So it flushes faster, the water cascades faster, it doesn't have the buildup of molecules onto the porcelain in the little crevices that most manufacturers have. Their glaze is super smooth, it's real slick, nothing sticks to it. So it's easier flush, makes the water rinse off faster, a more cleanly experience. And then their china is a bright white, super clean, not like a dull white, is because they want you to see that it's a clean toilet. And so when you buy today, in 10 years from now, it'll be the same color. It's not going to add any discoloration inside the bowl or anything like that. So since TOTO introduced these toilets in the United States back in the early 90s, up until today, 2025, they've been tweaking. And so in Georgia, it was 3.5 gallons. Then it went from 1.6 back in 1994. Now it's 1.28 is the law here in Georgia as far as the gallons per flush. TOTO has all kinds of models at that 1.28 gallon per flush level that we stock here in our warehouse. And we have them on display because we're a platinum showroom for TOTO here in Atlanta. But they could go down to a 0.9 gallon per flush. So 0.9 to 1.28, we have it covered, but they don't clog. That's the big thing about TOTO toilets. They don't clog. Now, if somebody's going to stick a shoe or a dress down the toilet, of course it's going to clog. But normal everyday use, even extraordinary everyday use, they don't clog. Is because of the engineering of the product. When it changed to 1.6 gallon per flush toilets in the United States, TOTO saw an opportunity to come to the United States and bring the product to market. So European Kitchen and Bathworks has been a distributor since 2004 of TOTO, but I worked for TOTO a long time ago, helped bring it to the United States as a sales manager, and I can guarantee you they are by far the best flushing toilets on the market.